Okay guys, last one I want to look at together is these ones about Statstown and Medianville. Some of them are pretty straightforward, but numbers 7 and 8, I know they're not numbered in the review, but if you count through numbers 7 and 8 are ones that are a little bit interesting. Number 7 says, which one has a greater percentage above $80,000? And if you look, $80,000 runs right down the middle of the medians right here. So boom, 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 $80,000 is this line right here. And so which town has a greater percent above that? And if you look, here's above 80,000. If you remember how a box plot works, the different quartiles divided it up into 25% ranges. So 25% of the data is here, 25% is here, 25 here, and 25 here. Another way to say it is that the median splits it in half. So 50% here and 50% here. Even though the box might be a different shape, that's how the box gets made. This is 25%, this is 25%, 25, and 25. And when the boxes are smaller or bigger, it just means the data is more spread out or less spread out, but it still means that there's 25%, 25% in each of the quartiles. So for this one, which one has a greater percent above 80? Well, 80 goes right down both the medians. The Statstown above 80, well, that's right down the median, so that's 50%. Medianville, that's right down the median, that's 50%. It's a little different shape, but it's still half. That's what the median means. That's cutting it right down the middle. So both of these have about 50% of the data is above 80,000. So for number 7, they're tied. They both have the same amount, 50% above 80,000. Now the next one is the interesting one. Between 50,000 and 80,000. I've already got the line for 80,000. Let me draw the 50,000 line in here. That's right about here. You have to make the noise, otherwise it doesn't work. Okay, so so here's our range between 50,000 and 80,000. Let's take a look down here. Remember how the box plot works. This quartile right here is 25%. This whole thing is 25% of this data. And notice in this range from 50 to 80, we have 25% and a little more too. I don't know exactly what it is, but I know it's more than 25%. 25 plus a little bit more. Up here, this whole half of the box is 25%. So this whole half of the box is 25%. But if you notice, we have cut a piece off the box. So between 40 and 80, or 50 and 80, that's not even 25%. That's less than 25%. So in Statstown, we have less than 25% in that range. In Medianville, we have more than 25% in that range. So who's got a greater percentage? Well, Medianville. We don't know what it is, but we do know that it's more. We know it's a higher percentage between 50 and 80%. Okay, so hopefully those will help you out. There we go. That's it.